putting stuff in my eyes. Interesting. Starting to come on harder now. And power just dipped. That's unfortunate. Oh my. I missed some good lightning bolts earlier. Boy, it's really starting to cool down though. It was like 90s out. Now it feels like it's like maybe low 80s, high 70s. Ooh. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back inside though where it's nice and safe. Oh man. I don't know what the wind speeds are, but boy, it's getting cold. And it's not just because I'm getting wet. Weird how the sky's kind of brownish that direction. I don't think I'm gonna catch any good bolts though. I missed the really nice one that was ahead of me. And I think they're behind the clouds now. Cloud coverage is catching up. Ooh, burr.